Camel. The camel moves like a knight, but with an extended range, jumping 3 squares in one direction, horizontally or vertically, and then 1 square perpendicularly. The camel is a color-bound leaper, meaning it's limited to squares of the same color as its starting position, like bishops.
But what is this? Like a...
So there's a camel. The camel kind of moves like a knight, but it's up 3 and over 1.
Okay. This is so confusing. Like, I'm really so confused about... Okay, I'll just get my... It's good though that they teach you where to put the pieces, like where you can put them.
Yeah. So, unfortunately, you just blundered your camel. Do you see that? My camel...
No, my
But not
camel!
only that. This is checkmate.
Chancellor. The Chancellor combines rook and knight powers, moving any number of squares orthogonally or jumping in an L shape, making it extremely strong and versatile. Archbishop. The Archbishop merges bishop and knight movement, sliding diagonally any distance or leaping in knight patterns, creating dynamic tactical threats across both long and short ranges. Amazon. The Amazon is a powerful fairy chess piece that combines the full movement of both the queen and the knight. It can move any number of squares along ranks, files, or diagonals, and also leap in L-shaped knight jumps, making it extremely dominant. It is such powerful it can deliver a checkmate by its own, without needing the help of any piece. This made Amazon the only piece that doesn't need any help. Grasshopper. The grasshopper moves along queen lines, but must jump over exactly one piece, landing immediately beyond it, making positioning and intermediate pieces essential for mobility. Knight Rider. The Knight Rider extends the knight's movement by repeating L-shaped jumps in the same direction multiple times. It travels in straight knight lines across the board, provided no piece blocks its path. Camel Rider. The Camel Rider is a rider version of the camel, repeating the 3-1 leaping pattern in one direction. It continues jumping in extended lines until blocked, covering unusual, color-bound trajectories. Wazir. The Wazir moves exactly 1 square orthogonally, forward, backward, left, or right. It does not move diagonally. Historically found in early chess variants, it is a short-range, modestly powerful piece. Furs. The Furs is the ancient queen. It moves exactly 1 square in any direction, like exactly the present king used in ancient forms of chess. It is a weak, short-range piece limited to 1 square control. The modern queen is significantly powerful than that. Alpha. The alpha leaps exactly 2 squares diagonally, jumping over any intervening piece. Because it always stays on the same color squares, its mobility and board coverage are restricted. Dababa. The Dababa leaps exactly 2 squares orthogonally, jumping over any intervening piece. Like the Alfil, it is color-restricted in movement patterns, limiting its overall reach and influence. Shanxi Horse. The Shanxi Horse moves 1 square orthogonally, then 1 square diagonally outward. Unlike the knight, it can be blocked if the first orthogonal square is occupied, limiting its mobility compared to Western chess knights. General. The general typically combines the moves of the king and knight, stepping 1 square in any direction or leaping in L shapes. It is stronger than a king, but weaker than major compound pieces. Soldier. The soldier usually moves 1 square straight forward and captures diagonally, similar to a pawn, but often without double step or in-passing options. Its exact rules vary depending on the chess variant. Stone General. The stone general moves 1 square straight forward or 1 square diagonally forward. It cannot move backward, making it a modest, forward-oriented piece focused on steady territorial advancement. Sergeant. The sergeant generally moves 1 square forward in any direction except directly backward. Its forward-leaning mobility encourages gradual advancement while restricting retreat, creating tension between aggression and defensive positioning. GNU. The GNU is a compound leaper combining knight and camel moves, jumping in 2x1 or 3x1 patterns. It's basically knight plus camel. It cannot slide, but covers complex, color-sensitive trajectories across the board. Berolina. The Berolina pawn moves 1 square diagonally forward without capturing and captures 1 square straight forward. Unlike the standard pawn, its movement and capture patterns are reversed, creating unique pawn structures and unconventional tactical possibilities.